I have worked for the big banks, and I have also worked in the private sector in the retail mortgage side. What I do like about being on the retail mortgage side is that you have several options. You go out there to the market, you find out which investors have the better program for the clients, have the better rates for the clients. And the fact that we have total control over the processing, the underwriting, getting it together for closing and funding is a lot faster process. And of course, the big one is that we don't work just 8 to 5. We work 24/7, to be honest with you. I have clients calling me on holidays, after hours, and I get to grab my laptop and get on there, send pre-approvals. I can send a pre-approval from my phone because we have this awesome mobile app to help the clients. As a mortgage loan officer, it's very important to go out there and talk to your realtors, to let them know what programs you have, and of course, to show them how we close our deals, keeping strong communication with them, letting them know what's going on in the process, letting them know where their customer stands, not sending them a pre-qualification letter, rather sending them a pre-approval letter, letting them know that their client that they're working with, driving around town, showing them houses that they're confident that that deal is going to close. So honesty and communication is really important to the realtor, to the client, and the builder in case they're already going to start building for a client. They need to know that that client's actually going to close and buy the home once it's complete within the next 4, 5, 6 months. So a pre-qualification is when a client just applies, we check their credit, we ask them the questions, have you been employed for 2 years? Is there anybody else in your household that can be on the application? It's just basic questions where you can say, this client is good to go out and shop. A pre-approval is when we actually review all the documentation, where we get a verification of employment, when we get their pay stubs and we get their assets to make sure that they have the money.